Hi guys, morning, rise and shine.
Yeah.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just feeling hyped today, don't mind me. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'm just going to go right into the video. This is a video where I'll be unboxing skincare. If you know me, you know I'm very enthusiastic about skincare. So I found this new website, Care to Beauty. This is not a sponsored post, by the way. Care to Beauty or Care Beauty or something like that. And I realized that their skincare was way cheaper than my average retailer, even if they were online, and they had everything I wanted, or so I thought. So if you know me, you know that this is my daily sunscreen. That's the ACM Depi Whites. I'm just going to put it on the screen. So I saw that they were the only ones that had it, and I ordered it from them because they were doing free shipping for as low as 64,000 naira. I'll confirm the price and put it in the chat box or in the video in text. So let's get right into it. Apart from the ACM Depi Whites, I bought, I also bought this my La Roche-Posay invisible spray that I spray on my body, my entire body. So this ACM is my daily sunscreen for my face. If you watch my previous sunscreen reviews, you know that. So I bought 2 of these and about 3 of these. But the problem now is I realized these 2 are not the same. So what I found on the website was ACM Depi White Protective Cream, while what I usually use is ATM Whitening Protector Skincare. But truth is, both of them are SPF 50. And this one apparently is better for pregnancy marks. I checked the reviews on Amazon. They looked okay. But let me try to see if it has the same consistency with the one I use. So this is the difference in size. The one that I usually use is 50 ml, and this one that I found on the website is 40 ml. But it's almost the same texture, the same color. See, it's pretty much the same. And ooh, because this ACM sunscreen has been scarce for a while. Like, I haven't found it at my normal retailer. That's why I opted to buy it online. Well, it doesn't look bad at all. This one apparently is good for fading out brown spots, which is also the same work that the whitening protector skincare does. So it's not bad. So usually it comes with a white cast, but over time it settles in. So I'm not putting it on my forehead so you can see the difference. White, but it's settling in if you look clearly and if you give it time. So let me show you one more thing I bought that I can't wait to try. It's this Helicare Colors compact powder. I bought it in dark. It's supposed to be oil-free compact sunscreen. So I can't wait to try it out, guys. Let me show you how it looks on the inside. Ooh, and it's almost like the same color with my skin. So I think it comes in 2 variations, light and dark, but I bought this light dark one. I'm a black girl. If I probably buy light, it'll probably be too light for me. So I plan to put it on top of my makeup. Not at all. Let me even try and put some on my spots. Not bad at all, if you ask me. I like it. I like it. I would definitely recommend. And obviously, this one, which you guys have seen in the previous video. But let me just show you for those who haven't watched my previous video. Just see how it looks on my skin. So the reason I went on this skincare haul on this website is because some of the items were about 30% off. And even before they were 30% off, they were cheaper than my normal retailer. So I figured since these are the things I use daily, why don't I buy them in a quantity more than one? So, oh. just put as much as I can for you guys. So the thing I love most about this sunscreen is, like I always say, is the sheen. It's the sheen it gives. Though I'm not applying enough, let me apply more. So you guys can see. Yep. So can you see my two hands? Can you see how shiny one is? One that has sunscreen and the one that doesn't. See the difference? Definitely recommend. So another way I like to try this my compact powder is on top of my makeup, like on top of my foundation or underneath my foundation. So now it's underneath my foundation. I would also put it on top of my makeup to see how it looks and give you like a review later on the final wear, like how long it lasts, how it makes my makeup look. So yeah, not bad. My forehead at all. For me, I like full coverage, so that's why I'm still going to put like my foundation. Nice. Oh my god, I'm messing up this my eyebrow and I'm late. So I bought all of that for 76,000. Some of them were discounted items, but trust me, if you calculate that, and I forgot to mention, I paid about 12k or 10k to the UPS guy, to the delivery company that delivered it. But trust me, spending 86,000 for those items is nothing compared to what I spend at my local retailer. So it was a good buy. Plus, I get to discover new products. See, this is my concealer blending into that compact sunscreen I put up. It's a little bit whitish. Maybe it's just me, but it feels like it's whitish. Said what?
They don't want to say Happy Mother's Day.
What about you?
I want to.
Okay, that's it.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Thank you. So what else? Many happy returns for Mother's Day. Tell me how you feel about your mommy now. That's what you say. You love me. I love you too. Oh, my baby's money. Remember, I have the Helio Care compact powder underneath. So now I want to put my foundation on top of it. You can see, even as I wore dark, it still feels like my compact powder is a little bit whitish. Well, remember I have some sunscreen underneath as well. But obviously, if I'm using it on another day, I would not apply sunscreen first. It's just because I was reviewing sunscreen before now. This is how it looks in the finished product underneath my foundation. I'm still going to put it on top of my foundation with my powder and just see how that looks. Let me apply some of this compact on my foundation as well, using my beauty blender. Not bad. Not too different. But trust me, I think I like the bottom application. Anyways, that's already fulfilled the purpose of protecting me from sun damage. I'll definitely be buying this as far as my skin doesn't react to it adversely. So let me finish dressing up for my Mother's Day service. And for those that were even asking if you could apply skincare, if you could apply sunscreen under makeup, remember I have the ACM, the P White underneath this. I put it in the lower part of my face, so you can see it really looks good. Doesn't look bad at all. Yeah. Done. I'm done with my dress. Time to tie my scarf. So usually scarf is like this. So I fold it this way because I want to tie that boxy kind of scarf. And then I take it in again. So over my head. So right here in the back, this is a very small scarf though. This side is shorter. So I have one long side and one short side. So when I do that, I sort of double knot it, and then nice. Yeah, that's it. Hajia, it's giving Hajia. Happy Mother's Day. Mwah. The thing you definitely can do with this scarf is to release it a bit so it has like this round mill. The queen. So using this by Kristen Victoriana. Woo. Who's your mother, baby? Who is your mother? So bitch's mommy. Who's Asomchi's mommy? That's me. That's me. So at the time I did that video, it was about 8:30. My scarf has shifted up a bit, but look, the makeup is still looking flawless, and this is with the ACM protective cream underneath my makeup. So for those that have been asking, Pode, can I put sunscreen under my makeup? Clearly it's doable. And then also the part where I had that compact powder that's here on my forehead, you know, it's still looking very okay. But what I would have done was to reapply the compact powder. So I'll do that when I get home because I didn't carry it. But I'll show you guys how it looks when you reapply the compact sunscreen powder after 2 hours, because apparently you're supposed to apply sunscreen after every 2 hours, but it's not such a sunny day, even though that's not an excuse. My Mother's Day has been going well so far. I would also unbox my Mother's Day gift from Ash Luxury, so you guys can see. I don't know what's in it too. It's at home. I'm feeling myself today. Just see wife wey man put for house. Hey, Jesus, the beauty is blinding me. Stop. As we all know, normally you're meant to touch up your sunscreen every 2 hours, but this is an oil-free compact brown sunscreen, and trust me, like, it doesn't feel heavy, like I'm wearing anything so heavy. So let me touch it up with my beauty blender just so you guys can see how it looks when touched up. So put my scarf under. So you can add more if you want, but so far it's doing what it's supposed to do. Love it. I will totally recommend. I'm so happy I found this. You know how you are just being a normal sunscreen enthusiast and then you stumble on things? This was worth my money, worth every penny, and I'll definitely be buying more. To unboxing my Mother's Day present from Ash Luxury, Ash Lux. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Aww, I wonder what's in it. I have shopped with them before, so oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Ash Luxury, thank you. I love it. So let me read what's in it. Your resilience and strength as a mother shines as bright as your beauty and grace. As we celebrate this special day, we are reminded of your incredible achievements and your unwavering commitment to both your family and your profession, a testament to your extraordinary spirit and strength of character. Thank you for being such a powerhouse of inspiration. Yinka Ash. Thank you, Ash Luxury. I love it. I love the card. I'm definitely going to keep it safe, and the message is so heartfelt. Thank you. So let me see what else is in here. Oh my God. Guys, look. I don't know why it is. Looks like a scarf, but man. Oh wow, this is so gorgeous. Ash Luxury, thank you. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Wow. Beautiful. Another scarf. Gorgeous. I love the color combination. Gold and turquoise. Oh my gosh. Guys, and then some athleisure, you know, for the Gen Z outfits. I know you guys, you know now on my Instagram how I'm always trying to be a Gen Z mommy. These are so going to be on theme. Oh my goodness. Okay, girl. Okay, this is a swimsuit. So lovely. And it's like a leotard kind of swimsuit, like very conservative for me. I hope it's my size. I hope it's medium. There's still more. Gosh, you guys outdid yourselves. Ash Luxury. Thank you. Gen Z. Oh, no, okay. This is like a bra top. Okay. And then this purple one, I already know I'm going to like it. I think this is shapewear. Oh, what is this? Okay, oh, is that biker shorts? Hey, purple one. My purple. Hey, they are not ready for this slew. Are you people ready? Hey, I'm going to shock you people. I will choke you people when I'm ready with my Ash Locks. Thank you so much, Ash Locks. And finally, I love the packaging of these glasses. Another Gen Z glasses add to the ones I have. Okay. Who's the coolest mommy in the world? Who's the coolest mommy in the whole world? Me. Let's go. That's the song my son always sings to me. Don't think I'm just praising myself. What? Hey, Ash Luxury, you too much. What? So guys, on this note, I bid you goodbye. I say to my dear friends, Maria Lita, meaning in my language, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. This is so cool, gosh. See, babe. Yeah.